Iran is on the edge tonight. Nationwide protests have turned deadly, with death toll now crossing 500, and the activists warn the real numbers could be far higher. Demonstrations have spread from Tehran to major cities, openly challenging Iran's theocratic rule as security forces continue a harsh crackdown. Human rights groups say over 530 people, including women and children, have been killed, while thousands have been arrested. Internet and phone services remain restricted across the country. Meanwhile, tensions are rising beyond Iran's borders. US President Donald Trump has backed the protesters and warned of action if Americans are harmed. As reports suggest, the US and Israel are increasing military readiness. Israel has now been placed on high alert. With protests intensifying and global pressure mounting, Iran stands at a dangerous crossroad.